You guys ever crashed an RC plane?
Oh! Oh!
Well, we're about to take these disasters and turn them into my son's dream machine. Let's see if broken dreams can actually fly. We weeded through a bunch of the parts. Let's go ahead and try to build something. This is a receiver with built-in micro servos for rudder and elevator. And there's two more plugs. I think this is a 4-channel, but it didn't come out of a champ. I don't know what it came out of. We're going to give that a try. And if we can, we'll add 2 more micro servos to turn it into a 4-channel plane, which means it would have aileron, rudder, and elevators. So this 4-channel, I believe, 2 plugs there, and I think that's a light plug. Let's find out. I got some lights. Fingers crossed. Oh, all the lights are working. Oh yeah. Oh, Junior's gonna love this. The Frankenstein Plane with lights, throttle, elevator, aileron, and rudder. Finish it up. So guys, this wing is from a completely different plane, obviously. It came from the UMX Slow Ultra Stick. It was a replacement wing that I painted. It's got a lot of dihedral. I don't know if it's going to throw the balance off to this Frankenstein build. I don't know if it will work, but we're going to give it a try. made something for you.
Oh my God!
What do you think of that, dude?
Insane.
Hold on. Check that out. What do you think of that?
That is so awesome.
Come over here. Check this out. That's the Frankenstein Plane.
Oh my
3
God.
different planes, buddy.
That is
We got
so
the
cool.
slow stick wing.
Yeah.
We got the champ body. We got some tires from something else. There's a receiver in it from something else. We got lights.
That is awesome.
Look at, I got eyes and everything.
Eyeballs.
Look at
The stitch.
stitches.
Oh my
Frankenstein stitches.
God. That is cool.
Yeah, guess what?
What?
You're going to be the first to fly it.
I knew it.
Yeah, I haven't even flown it. You're going to be you're either going to fly it or we're going to crash it again into another bunch of parts. That's from all the spare parts Dad's had. Is that cool or what?
That is cool.
We got big wheels. That's all yours. You're going to take her outside and fly her. Do you think you can fly it?
We'll see.
We'll see. All right. Well, it's snowing, raining, and everything else. What do you think?
Cool.